that item go. Once we come to our full and complete stop, no flaming near the back, and I'll reach to get the item back to you as quickly and safely as possible. Now with that said, sit back, relax, and driver, you are cleared to dispatch.
For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and neck inside while traveling. And supervise your children. Thank you.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentado, con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro, mientras el tranvía está en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
Alrighty, good evening and welcome to the Magic Kingdom, everyone. Tonight's time will be open until 11 p.m. Our tram services will operate for 90 minutes only, which means our last and final departing village tram will be departing from our village zone at 12:30 a.m. Tonight's entertainment will be Disney's Enchantment with our fireworks spectacular climb titled the Cinderella Castle. The show will begin at 9 p.m., so if you wish to view those fireworks, make sure you're standing on or near Main Street or directly in front of Cinderella's castle before 9 p.m. Once again, we'll be dropping you off to the transportation and ticket center, and from there you're going to be about a mile and a half away from the park. You'll have two modes of transportation that will take you up to the park from there, which are our on-road and our third. The choice is completely yours as to which one you would take, but we do recommend you take one in and one out to get that full transportation experience. Over at this time. Alrighty, now off to the driver's right hand side at this time. Where all those silver hand railings are is going to be our villain's load zone. That is exactly where we're going to drop you off and exactly where we'll be picking you up later on tonight. Once again, the park will be closing at 11 p.m. and the last and final departing village tram will depart right there at that villain's load zone at 12:30 a.m. Now to our friends at the villain's load zone, please remain all the way back behind the solid yellow line until we come to our full and completed stop. I'll let you know when it's safe to cross over and board. To everyone on board, once we come to that full and complete stop, all exits for this Magic Kingdom will be to the driver's left-hand side and the driver's left-hand side only. Once again, guys, once we come to that stop, all exits are to the driver's left-hand side only.